Today I'm going to show how to replace the wipers on some PIAAs. So I have a Volkswagen Golf, and first step is to remove the old one. I already did that one. And what you do is you just press this little button in. I already pressed it for the sake of the video. And then this pulls right out. Okay, I finally got this thing off. So it's pretty bad shape. When you open up the package, you get a billion little adapters, and then you get this. Take this, and you want to pull this part up. This is the adapter that comes with it. I like to take this little screwdriver and put it in the little holes here. There's two holes. There's a bigger one and a smaller. I like to put it in the smaller one. You go like this and just pull up on it. I have to put the camera, sorry. Anyway, so there it is. I just yanked that thing right up, and now it's bare. So you want to use, there's an adapter here, it's M. Now you want to take this simple adapter that looks like that, and you want to put this in here. This kind of slides forward, this front part slides forward, and then the rest snaps like that. Now the next thing you want to do is it's adapter B. By the way, I have a 2017 Volkswagen Golf, just a regular. It's a Wolfsburg edition, and that's what it looks like. And you want to put that in there. Okay, now I have installed adapter piece B onto the base M. Looks like this. And we're going to go to the car and slide it in. There you have it.